Hi guys, this is Nashad and welcome to the Postman beginner tutorial series. In this video we will learn some basics of Postman and we will call a very simple API to understand the different UI elements of Postman. So let's start with some sample API. Search for sample REST API for testing. So this is a very good sample we can use for our example. Let's see what are the details. So this is the route and this is the method of this API, and we don't need to pass any JSON in a request body for this simple API, and we got the result after the successful API call. We will get this response. So now in Postman we can create a request from here. So if you click on the new, you can click on request. It will give you the option to create an API request. There are other ways as well. We can use this new or control N. It will open the same screen, see, and we can go directly from here, request, like this. So let's start from here. I call the request and I put the request name. So if I see the detail, it says get all employees data. I put the name employees, and we need to create a collection. So we can create from here. We need to create a collection from here. So we call it employee system collections. Yep. So now we have this collection, you can see here. So let me save this. Okay, so we have created one collection in a collections, so you can see here, and in collections we have a one request, but we have not completed this request yet. So we need to put a request URL that I have already copied from the website, and this is the request URL. So now if I send this request, we don't need anything in the body for this simple API, so we just need to send this and see how it goes. So see, we have written, we have got the JSON. If I change, and we can change the format of our response from here, so I can change it to JSON. So you can see that this is a very nice structured way to see the data. So it says employee name, employee salary, employee age, and profile image, so all in a structured way. So there is a different option. We can change it to text as well, so you can see in a text, and if you want to see JSON. And the other thing is we can see as a raw, and we can see as a preview. So this is our some basics of response we can see. The other thing is we got the status that is 200. So this if we have successfully call our API, so it's a successful response. It's a 200. Okay, and this give you the time, how long it takes to give us the response, and the size of the response. It's a very good way to analyze how big your data is on the wire and how is your API is performing. So the other good thing is you can search. So as you see, this is a very big response. If you want to search something, you can search from here. So if I search, I can search it. It's very simple. So this is a very good tool if you want to search anything in your response. So I'll save it, and now the next time if I close it and open it again, my request is here, and if I call it again, I can see my response. So that's it for this video. In the next coming video, we will explore more about Postman. We will learn about the variables and other advanced features of Postman. So thank you very much for watching my video.